Hello, my big people, what's up? It's your boy man and I've in the building as a base, you can see guys. So leo watu wangu tuko huku za 8 town, za Jamu. We're trying tunatembea tembea hivi a small vlog tukionyesha tuko na my guy pale nyuma ni venye ameingia kwanza kwa mpira mtu wangu, so ni footballer kinda. So leo ameamua ni kuwatembeza tu huko street yetu guys, muone venye wenyewe mtaa iko guys. It's kama nini, but what's up if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube gang, consider kabisa na guys, kama hujacheza na till, hebu consider tupate hata selfie stick guys, tujue sasa itakuwaje. Na mwenye niko na yeye leo, maana mahali venye nimemwacha mbali ndo ule uko na shati ya white guys, huyo ndo videographer wangu na ameamua leo nijishike sasa, lakini imebidi nitoke hapo juu. Singetoka, angetoka karibu, angecheza na hizi nini guys, na wenye wanajua hizi ni nini hizi. Have you ever seen this kind of kuku in your village ama in your place guys? So leo my co-host naje tajiri yangu, I'm good, you're good, yeah. So see, you introduce yourself.
I said I'm Charles.
You said you're Charles, from where?
Yeah, from Kileleshwa.
From Kileleshwa.
Student pale Kwea.
Okay.
Data analyst student.
Mm.
I'm a
Which
good
year?
person.
Which year?
I'm a non-coed.
Non-coed.
Yeah. I'm past 844.
Hey. So bro, you said
I'm doing my masters.
You're doing your masters?
Yeah.
So today you decided leo tutembee hii side za Jamu tu vlog kidogo tu
tutafute madem.
Kwa kwanza nataka kutuma kwa Goshodo. If you get one girl, na kupea number, I'll give you 1000 cash money.
Thou.
Ama thou si pesa ga.
Nunua mzinga ba. Thou si pesa.
Guys, wanasema thou si pesa. Wanasema tajiri venye wanaringa. Kama thou, okay, that's a very small
Nunua mzinga. One mzinga is enough.
One mzinga is enough.
But I'm shy man.
You're shy, brother.
Jack!
Shuka, we shuka. Nakuja kutafuta huku. Ikuje. Ndani. Mimi simuelewa, labda niende niingie tu hivyo ndani. So guys, nikaa ametuambia turudi hivi.
So let's go back.
Tuende tupatane na yeye hivyo ndani. Sawa. Kwa ndo Morio tulikuwa tumeenda kuona, alafu tunafika hapa hivi stage tunapatana na yeye kwa gari na yeye anatoka. So itabidi guys tumerudi hivyo. Chalo,
Yes, my name.
Hold for us the camera kidogo please, then waambie watu wangu anything. Hebu waambie watakupata wapi kwa internet. On your social media handles.
Guys, I'm not a social media activist too much.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just a indoors person.
You're a forex trader.
I don't do forex.
You don't do
I just try my best.
You try your best, you risk take.
Yeah.
Then
I'm a gambler in nature.
You're a gambler in nature.
Yeah. I do betting.
How comes? Okay, bro, I have a question for you.
Okay.
Between Arsenal and Man City,
who
will take the EPL Cup?
We are behind Man City, but nature is giving Arsenal.
Nature is giving. Nimbaya. So nature is favoring Arsenal
for sure.
Okay, what about? Do you think Arsenal will reach to UCL finals?
I don't think so. They can't for sure, man.
They can't. If they can, you do what you'll do.
Jeff Koinange will eat matumbo in for sure, man.
Jeff Koinange for sure, my brother. You eat matumbo.
Yeah,
because
they can't. How?
They cannot reach. Like see.
Don't you see PSG there? Don't you see Sporting there? Bayern Munich.
Okay, what
Real Madrid?
Their next fixture
versus Sporting.
Yeah. Okay, what's your prediction, brother?
They might win there. Have no issue. After winning
After there is Kizungumkuti.
Barcelona or Atletico Madrid. I don't think they can pass there for sure.
For sure?
If they pass there,
Okay.
finals, Real Madrid 7-1.
7-1. Your prediction?
Yeah.
7-1.
Real 7, Arsenal 1.
No, it's Arsenal 7.
No,
Real 1.
it can't be. It can't.
It can't be.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite club in?
My favorite
Club?
Manchester United.
Manchester United.
Yeah, the biggest club in Kenya, Africa, world, and some parts of heaven. No doubt about it.
You guys do agree with maneno yake at some part of heaven?
Yeah.
How, brother? So, this is my Goshodo. Not for sure, Charlo. Not for sure. I'll see how. Not for sure. Not for sure.
Can I take this one? Can I take this one?
No, not for sure. This.
Hi, baby girl.
It's like high school,
Sure.
student.
Is that high schooler?
Yeah.
Come.
So
She's gone. She's gone.
she's going. How? Like, you don't trust in yourself, brother?
She's gone, man.
I wonder, ma. Hebu ambia watu wangu ita wataka na kwa kubeba nini hii lori?
I don't know, man.
You don't know? Oh, I forgot. I was thinking you normally stay this place.
No, bro.
I'm sorry, my brother.
I'm not staying here for sure.
So, the city of Ethiopians.
I'm not staying here for sure. This is my first time to be here.
Ethiopians, they are taking over like every place in Jamhuri. Do you agree?
I think so, but you know, I'm a newcomer here.
For me,
I've not been here before. Where do you stay, baby?
On
Around?
Look, okay, on my look on the site, I'm thinking of they're taking every place of Jamhuri. Even you can see inside Apo, Ethiopia. They're taking over, wanna conquer. So na hatufai kuwalegeza wakonke aje. Au
Let me take her.
okay. Bado hajafika. Na ulisema timu kubwa in all world. Ndio nada. Sema ndio timu kubwa Chalo. Ndio tuambie kwa hiki kikosi unatambua nani?
Wewe ni jamaa wapi kwanza?
Uone matimu kubwa hapa.
Oh, timu kubwa hapa. Me forever Bruno Fernandes and Dogu, man.
That's Dogu.
Dogu Mazroi. What's Bruno Fernandes?
So guys, let's meet on the next episode, guys. Na
Bruno
kama
support
subscribe, make sure you subscribe.
Wewe una support
official Ndavi in the building. So, guys, support.
Wow.
If you just follow man, mambo mingi na kupita hapo hivyo. Consider no consider. Guys. So we are
EPL inaenda na nani? EPL